Hey, it's Matt, Florida Boy Survival. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite hiking and survival guns. Great survival gun, not so much a hiking gun because it's kind of big and kind of heavy to carry if you're just knocking around out in the woods, but it is in this box, and it is one of these. Yeah. Specifically, it is this, the Ruger Super Blackhawk 44 Magnum. So, let me show it to you. Alright, here we go. I told you I would show it to you, and here she is. This is the Ruger Old Model Super Blackhawk 44 Magnum. And it's an old model because you see these 3 screws in the side plate? This is what they call the old model. This was before it had the transfer bars. And we're going to just prove that it's unloaded. This goes to half cock. Okay. Half cock. To spin the cylinder. And it is not loaded. Okay. And you will see, if you look in there closely enough, that it does not have a transfer bar. It's got a frame mounted firing pin. So this revolver, technically, when you're carrying it, I'm not sure about on the target range, you might want to load 6, but if I was carrying it, I would only load 5 and keep the hammer down on an empty chamber. That's the way all of the old 3-screw models did. You'll hear 4 distinct clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4 when you cock it. And there you go. This is one of the most versatile revolvers I've ever known, other than a 357 Magnum. This revolver can shoot any 44 Magnum cartridge, any 44 Special cartridge. I think you can also go all the way down to 44 Smith & Wesson Russian, but there's so many offerings in Magnum cartridges, and there's so many offerings in Special cartridges that I don't think you'll ever have a need to go down to 44 Russian. You know, you can hand load for this thing, and you should have no problem tailoring a load to meet your exact purposes. So, you know, and it does shoot. Here's a perfect example of a 44 Magnum cartridge. This is a 244 grain jacketed hollow point, and I wouldn't want to get hit with one of those. You know, your takedown method is very easy. Put her to half cock. Okay, we're going to turn it over. We're going to push the takedown plunger. We're going to slide takedown rod out, if it'll come out, and your cylinder comes out. And there she is. Now you can clean it, you can lube it, you can do whatever you want to with it. And this is, you notice that the cylinder does not have recessed cylinder bores. But here we go. Here's a good desktop review. I think the serial number dates this one to 1969. This is the Ruger Super Blackhawk Old Model 3-screw 44 Magnum. It finally stopped raining here. I think I may be able to go out tomorrow, and we'll see. It didn't rain for 8 months, and then it rained for the last 7 days. So might check my old fishing spot. So until then, with my review of the Ruger Super Blackhawk 44 Magnum, this is Matt from FloridaBoy Survival. I'll be seeing you on the trail.